Okay, traders. Yeah, welcome to the weekend analysis. It is another day and another beautiful weekend, and I have got some time to share analysis on gold. Specifically, I'm going to analyze gold spot, and basically I'm going to give the highlight. So just you have to take your own time to add your own analysis from what I'm going to do here. What I'm going to do here is just a anticipated direction. So it's not a trading advice that you are going to take trades in that particular direction in the coming week. No, you have to add your own analysis in order to get at least an edge toward that particular direction we are going to take in the coming week in gold. And basically this analysis is continuation of what I have been analyzing since the past month, even a year before. I have been analyzing gold, so it is just a continuation. Now basically we were looking for completion of the fourth wave. That now in my previous analysis, it was expected to have been completed around this position, this area, but this week has violated something. It has moved beyond this previous swing low, so now that has created another story. Now moving below this swing low, that has created another story. But now in our overall wave count, now we are still looking for the fourth wave that is going to get completed around those regions there, and then after completion we are going to continue in our upward direction that has been maybe taking place in a very long time. So basically I'm going to start with the monthly time frame, maybe giving highlight in the monthly time frame, even though we still have 2 weeks. I think it's about 2 weeks now. It's 1 week. We have left with 1 week to have our monthly candle closed. So now how this candle is going to close is, and now this is going to be a very important determinant of what is expected to happen in the coming month of this year. So basically, as I said in my previous analysis, that we had those 2 candles there. I said having rejection with the next candle closing, masking or covering that previous rejection is a powerful indicator of continuation to that particular direction. So, and it is exactly what is happening with this current monthly candle. It is still bearish. So is it going to close in a bearish way, or it's going to turn maybe having rejections and close in a bullish maybe in the coming week? So that's very important thing to consider now in the coming week, to see exactly what's going to happen. So now that's just a highlight, and always we see price it is playing within a key level. Now this is a very key support level, so it has been rejecting price several times, and even now price is around there. So let us look if it's going to be rejected or price is going to break and close below. So we have to look for the break and close below if we are looking for the bearish continuation. But if it is not going to break and close, so this level may reject the price again as it was in the previous. So now moving in a weekly time frame, what is happening there is basically I see price is trending to the downside. You see now it is forming the lower highs and also it forming the lower lows, and even this week has created a new low. It has created a new low. Now this is a clear indicator that now in a monthly time frame, in a weekly time frame, prices is still looking bearish. So what is happening in the lower time frames? So let us keep on maybe watching this video to see what is exactly expected to happen in the lower time frames. Now always you see we had this low that was, and now based on my wave count, I marked this as the now completion of the fourth wave. So I was expecting the next move here not to break this low. So once this low has been broken now this low has been broken now, so basically this is no longer the fourth wave. So the now completion of the fourth wave is going to be in this next swing low. I'm going to mark the fourth wave in this next swing low. So price has broken this level, and also this week has closed below it. So now this is an indicator that we have a bearish momentum now. We have a bearish momentum, and at the same time maybe based on the concept of momentum now. If I include RSI, you see we have RSI down there. So this region here corresponds to this, or it's equivalent to this region, and the next one is equivalent to the next swing low there. So you'll find that there is loss of momentum. Now in RSI has failed to form a new low. RSI has not formed a new low, but the price has formed a new low. So this is an indicator that now bearish momentum is fading out. So if it is fading out, now price is likely to move down a little bit before it turns to the upside now. It may move down a little bit before it turns to the upside. So that is most likely to happen. And then as we go, I think we know the idea of wave counts and everything, so I can incorporate the wave count. You see, I hide in my wave counts, so I have got the wave count. So before I explain the wave counts, let us see the calendar for the coming week. Let us see the calendar for the coming week now. Next week, it will be from, now we have got those high impact news on Tuesday, that is 20th of September. We have AUD news there, and it is monetary policy meeting minutes. And also on Wednesday, we have high impact news. Also on Friday, we have got other high impact news. So basically, we have to keep our eyes on those high impact news hours. So we have to stay out of the market. Actually, I don't like to bet in the market. Trading during news hours is like betting. Actually, news can push the price in those unexpected directions powerfully. Now it may push to unexpected directions powerfully. That's why I advise traders to stay out of the market when it is news hours. So let's stay alert with those news hours. So now let's carry on. Now including my wave counts, now we see now price. Now it had this A, then B to the upside, so this is C. So price is moving within a channel in completion of wave C down. It is moving within a channel in completion of wave C down, whereby this wave C down has got the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now you see this 5 is a little bit technical. It is a little bit technical. So as I move to lower time frames, we can have exactly now exact appearance of we will have an exact appearance of this move here, whereby it seems to be a 1, 2 that was shallow, 3, 4. Now this was the fourth. Maybe I can label this. Maybe let me count the wave there. This will be 1, then 2 to the upside, then a 3 somewhere there, and then 4. Finally 5 is moving down. So whether now it may be yet completed around that position, or it may still be underway. So we are going to look on lower time frame what is most likely to happen. So this is my preferred count. Now this is my preferred count, having the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now price is completing the fifth wave. So the fifth wave is yet completed or not. Let's move to lower time frame to see exactly what is happening. Now in daily time frame, maybe I have counted those waves in a weekly time frame, but in daily time frame we can see the same thing. Maybe I can tweak this. So we'll have the 1, 2 to the upside, 3, 4. Now the fourth wave is a little bit technical. Now the fourth wave is a little bit technical, whereby it seems to have extension in terms of time and price. Now it has got both extensions, time in terms of time and price. That's why it took too long to get completed, and actually the price corrected too deep. So this is most likely to happen in the market. And now the current move here is in the fifth wave. The current move down is in a fifth wave. And now looking clearly, now this fifth wave, it takes a sort of diagonal now. It takes a sort of diagonal. Look at the whole thing here. It is an expanding diagonal. It is a very rare thing. Now a very rare formation in the market is expanding diagonal. So now we have got the 1. Now maybe I can count the waves there. Now we have got the 1, then we have 2 to the upside, then 3 down, 4, and finally 5th to the downside. So those are the 5 wave move in completion of the 5th wave down in the current market move. So that is what exactly happening there. And actually, if this is going to hold it true now, if this is going to hold it true, what we are looking here is, now price is going to move above this level. Now maybe we have got this level marked in a white color there. Always this level was supported here, supported again, supported several times, and then price broken successfully now. Always the day before yesterday, price broken it successfully and closed below it. So yesterday candle was just moving up. So this movement to the upside, now it has got two things. Now this movement to the upside has got two things. If this diagonal is yet completed, so let's expect price to move above this level, retesting the level, moving up, retesting this, and keeps on moving up. So we are going to look for buy opportunities when the price is moving around 1740, 1738, 1740 something. Now it is 1740. Let's say when the price is moving above 1740, it is when we can take buy opportunities. We can take buy trades with the confidence. And also in the next scenario, now price has broken this level. So if it has broken, the current move to the upside is just a retest. So if price is retesting this level, it is going to move past the previous swing low. So when the price moves below this, now the previous swing low, now when it moves below 1654, when the price is moving below around the level of 1654, it is when we'll be looking for a retest and then a continuation to the downside up to around the level of 1560 something there. Now it is around the level of 1560 something. So it's where we are going to look for the sell opportunities, because we have got this trend line moving there. We got a channel there. A channel is moving around that area. Even though I have got other key things, whereby price may move, if it is going to break, to keep on moving to the downside, price is most likely to move down and get supported to around the level of 1617. Around the level, move to around the level of 1617 now. 1617 now. That's very key. 1617. It's most likely to get supported for the first time there. And then after that, if it is going to break that particular level, the 1716, now it is also most likely to get supported around 1500. So 1500, it is a technical and psychological level. A technical and psychological level. 1500 there. So it may move powerfully up to 1500. So all are the key areas and all are the anticipated directions that we can trade in the coming week. So even in 4-hour time frame, now the same thing is seen there. So let's expect it for price moving up and go beyond that particular level of 1740 to trade, to take the buy opportunities. And let's watch for price to break the level of around 1754. If it breaks there to the downside, it will retest and keep on pushing to the downside up to those particular levels mentioned previously. So thank you for your time and have a good day. Make sure that you like this video, make sure that you subscribe, and if you have got any comment, make sure that you write something in the comment section. If you have any suggestion now in any way, maybe you need an improvement in my analysis, you can write in the comment section. So thank you for your time and have a good weekend.